Hi everyone, welcome again to this YouTube channel. So today's program that we are going to discuss is reverse array in groups. So in this problem we have to reverse every sub array group of size k. So here we have an array and here we have a value of k as 3. So what we have to do, we have to reverse the sub array up to this k. So you can see here that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is an array and output is 3 to 1. We have reversed this sub array, and after that left element we also have to reverse. If you can see here 4, 5 reverse, we have also reversed this 5, 4. So this is the program, and you can see here if the k is more than the size of the array, then we have to reverse the whole array. See, they have reversed it here. So I hope you understand the problem. Let's again reiterate. So we have an argument k, and what we have to do, we have to reverse the sub array of size k. Now, if the k is greater than the size of the array, we have to reverse the whole array. Okay, so let's go to the editor and let's see how we can solve this problem. So here I have opened Eclipse, and you can see here we have method reverse in groups, and we have two arguments. One is array list and another is k, which is a size of the array which we are going to reverse in the array list. Okay, so first condition is, as I have already discussed, that if the size of the k is greater than array list size, right, then what we are going to do, we are going to reverse the whole array list. Okay, and how we can do that, we can simply put if condition, if dot size is less than k, then what we're going to do, we are going to simply reverse the array list. So this is the first condition that we have to set, right, that if the k is greater than array list, we have to simply reverse the array list. Okay, so now the second condition is we have to check how many sub array we can make. Okay, suppose here we have 3 as an k we are passing, right, and the array is, if you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 3. There are 7 elements in the array. Let me put array here. Okay, let me put here, and if I put this array here, and you can see 3 and how many we are passing, 7. Okay, let me make it 7 here. Okay, suppose we have this array. Okay, array list or array. So here k we are passing 3, right? So how many we can make? Subarrays 1, and there is second 2. It means we can make two subarrays, right? So first thing what we can do is we can simply take one subset as an int, and we can simply check. Okay, array dot size divided by k. So now we are going to get that how many times we can have this, uh, how many subarrays we can have. Okay, so now we have to put a while loop up to this subarray, I mean subset. So subset is greater than 0. Okay, so we have to put this while loop with this subset condition. Okay, so now we can have okay, one more thing we can do here, we can here write start index. Okay, start index is going to be 0 in the initial starting, and end index is going to be k, right? Okay, so we have this start index and index subset. Okay, we have put this while loop here, and what we are going to do here is, first thing we are going to do is we are simply going to reverse this. Let me reverse this, and here we have to reverse the sublist. So first time what we are going to do is we are going to put it start index here and then end index here. Okay, so now when the program is going to come here to this line, so we are going to reverse the sub list, that is starting from 0, it means from here up to end index is k, it means up to here. So first time it is going to reverse this first subarray. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to simply increment, we have to simply increment start index how many times, up to k times, and same goes with end index. I'll show you how, why I'm doing this. Okay, okay, so once it reversed up to this, so we have to shift our star index here and we have to shift our end index here. So for that we have to increment start index up with k, also end index with k. Okay, and one more thing, we have to decrement the subset. Okay, we have to decrement the subset. Okay, let me format this. Now I think up to this we are good. Up to this we are good. Now one more thing. Once we are out of this while loop, then what we are going to do with other elements that are left. Okay. So in that case, let me give you an example of suppose I am passing 4 here. Okay. Let's take example. I'm passing 4 here, and in this case, it is going to reverse these 4 elements. And if you can see here, the rest of the elements are less than 4, less than k. So in that case we have to reverse these all left elements, right? So once it is out of this while loop we have to reverse rest of the elements, and that we can simply, we can simply put here, and array sublist start index and end index would be n, the size of the array list, I mean n or ar dot size. Okay, so I hope we have covered all. Let me simply print it. Okay, let's try. So we have, I have passing here 4 and we have here 7 elements, right? So let's simply try to run it and let's see how it is working or not. Okay, okay, here we go. Let me check. 5536, so first should be 36355, so 6355 is there, and then we have 921, also we have reversed it here, you can see here, right? So let's put it over there in the geeks for geeks. So I have pasted my code here, if you can see. Let's try to compile it. We can simply see, okay, it's giving us green flag. Let's try to submit it. Let's see if it is working fine or not. Oh, it's not working fine. Let me check what we did in first case. We simply reversed it. Okay, in the second case, we have this. Okay, this we have reversed here. Start index incrementer, subset decrementer. Okay, okay, I got it. So, okay, we have to simply return here. I once k is greater than the size of the array, we don't want it to go to the next loop, right? We have to simply return here. Okay, let's try. We'll see if it is working fine or not, because we don't want rest of the code to be executed because the k is greater than the size of the array, right? So that is why we have to return here. Okay, so I hope this helps you out. I hope you have a great day. I hope you subscribe to the channel I hope this helps you out. Okay, so thank you very much.